First connect. Plug the USB to 485 serial port into your computer. Connect the sensor connector to the cable connector. Connect the blue wire of the cable to the blue wire of the serial port. Connect the white wire of the cable to the white wire of the serial port. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the power supply. Connect the black wire to the negative terminal of the power supply. Power up the power supply. Power up the magnetic stirrer. First, perform a temperature low point calibration. Remove the protective sleeve from the sensor. Take a glass of pure water of about 10 degrees. Place the sensor and thermometer in at the same time. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After the temperature of the thermometer has stabilized, begin the temperature low point calibration. Open the software. Select the corresponding port. Select 9600 for the baud rate and leave everything else the same. Open the serial port. Select sludge concentration for device type. Get device address and read data. Select the register method. Read register method, select 0. Enter 4 for quantity. Click Read Register. Write register, enter 1010. Numeric write value equals the actual temperature value multiplied by 10. Tap Write Register. Tap Read Register again. When the low point temperature calibration is complete, remove the thermometer and sensor from the beaker. Wipe the front of the sensor clean of water with a dust-free cloth. Temperature low point calibration is complete. Temperature high point calibration. Take a glass of purified water at least 5 degrees above the temperature of the water for the low point calibration. Place the thermometer in at the same time as the sensor. Allow to stand for 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the thermometer to stabilize. Begin the temperature high point calibration. Place the sensor at least 2 centimeters from the bottom of the beaker. Enter 1012 for the write register address and write a value equal to the actual temperature multiplied by 10. Tap Write Register. Tap Read Register again. After the temperature high point calibration is complete, remove the thermometer and sensor from the beaker. Wipe the water from the front of the sensor with a dust-free cloth. The temperature high point calibration is complete. A multimeter is required for current calibration. Insert the black pen of the multimeter into the COM terminal. Plug the red pen into the milliamp end. Then get 2 silicone wires. Connect them to the black and red pens of the multimeter. Then connect the other end of the black wire to the black wire of the power supply. The other end of the red wire is connected to the yellow wire of the cable. Turn the multimeter to 20 milliamps. The wiring is complete. Zero calibration take 2 grams per liter of sludge concentration standard. Place the standard on the magnetic stirrer. Put in the rotor. Turn on the magnetic stirrer. Adjust the speed until there is no visible vortex in the standard solution.
Place the sensor in.
Let stand for about 5 minutes. The sensor is about 0.2 of a centimeter from the bottom of the vessel. Allow the sensor reading to stabilize. Begin zero calibration. Enter 1000 for the right register address. The value written is the actual value of the standard solution multiplied by 1000. Click Write Register. Read the register again. Zero calibration is complete. Enter 2004 for the right register address. Enter 2 for the value. Click Write Register. Zero current calibration is complete. Zero calibration is complete. Remove the sensor from the standard solution. Place the sensor in a beaker of purified water to clean it. After cleaning is complete, wipe the water from the front of the sensor with a dust-free cloth. Zero calibration is complete. Slope calibration. Take 20 grams per liter of sludge concentration standard solution. Place it on the magnetic stirrer. Add the rotor. Turn on the magnetic stirrer. Adjust the speed. So that there is no visible vortex in the solution.
Place the sensor in.
Let it sit for about 5 minutes. When the sensor reading stabilizes, begin the slope calibration. Enter 1004 for the right register address. Write a value that is the actual value of the standard solution multiplied by 1000. Tap Write Register, then tap Read Register. The slope calibration is complete. Enter 2005 for the right register address, 998 for the value, and tap Write Register. Current slope calibration is complete. After the slope calibration is complete, remove the sensor from the standard solution. Place the sensor in purified water to clean it. After cleaning is complete, wipe the water from the front of the sensor with a dust-free cloth. Put on the protective sleeve. Slope calibration is complete.